Welcome to Pronounce Tightly. In this video, we will learn the correct punctuation of the word bequest. Let's begin. Bequest. 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 Meaning, bequest means something like money, property, or gift that you leave to someone in your will after your death. In simple words, bequest means a gift given after death through a will. For example, he left a large bequest to the hospital in his will. Another example is the museum received a valuable bequest from an artist's family. Bequest. 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 Thanks for watching Pronounce Rightly. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.